Wait.
Yeah, but how? Before we
Go sit down.
after we do it in English, could we do it in the other way? Like you
French?
away or something.
Okay, go sit down. Okay, what do you guys? 1, 2, 3. What do we say?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Okay, and now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Look, Zach.
Happy birthday, dear Zachary.
No.
Dear
Dear-
Grandma. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, now Drew wants to sing.
Your way is somewhere. Your way is somewhere. Your way is somewhere. Your way is somewhere.
Is that Hebrew? Oh wow, extra bonus. Okay, say happy birthday, Grandma. We